As a software developer, tester, DevOps engineer, daily we used to develop code or test cases, DevOps automation scripts. Once it is done, we used to push this code with our GitHub repos daily. What if your GitHub repo could automatically detect your security issues, enforce compliance, and deploy into the cloud automated? Hi, this is Murali, founder of ITasCode Private Limited, architect, trainer in the area of DevSecOps, Azure Cloud, AWS Cloud, Kubernetes, along with AI, ML, IoT integration. Till now, I have trained more than 5,000 plus students and 1,000 plus students working with top MNCs. Today, we are going to discuss about GitHub MCP Server integration step-by-step process. Now, we are going to discuss about GitHub MCP Server integration step-by-step. Before that, let us observe previous video some main points. So we observed our previous video, we asked ChatGPT to list some contributors. We received some response. After that, we observed, we asked Gemini to send some email to some sort of email. But it is saying that I can't directly send emails. It requires something. Also, after that, we observed some of the project manager is looking for project status and is using like a GitHub as well as Jira, Slack. These are all tools used. It requires integration, individual integration. And here there is a security assurance. To overcome this issue, we discussed that we can use MCP. So today we are going to discuss GitHub MCP Server integration. Now let us go to official portal, GitHub official portal. So here you can see GitHub MCP Server. Okay. Here let us try to find out prerequisites first. So here you can use Docker. As of now, I'm using Murali. And later we'll try Docker as well. And also we need GitHub automation. So this is my GitHub automation and default automation, and also see different automations as well. So within that, this is my default automation. So here I'm using it, default automation. So within this basic, this is two processes. So let us go back to the next steps. So this is our official portal. So here you can find instructions as well. Before that, let us see one by one steps. This is my instructions to go. First, we need to install Node.js version. Just go to this portal. So here you can download your version based on your operating system. You can download your version, and once it is done, you can see these steps. You can execute, and you can see npm node-v desktop service. And also you can see npm. Right? So here you can see npm also you can see. npm bundled with Node.js. Right? There is no separate installation required, and if required, you can upload that. npm hyphen. So here you can see. Next is once you install this Node.js. Next one, let us try to download a Claude Desktop. So this is the one. Let's go to Claude.al, download desktop. So here you can select your versions, operating system. So based on your operating system, whether it's Windows, Mac OS, right? So based on that, you can download systems. Just try to download this operating system, Claude Desktop. So once you download it, so you can install it. So here you can see, here already installed my Claude. So let's see this. These are Claude icons. So here already installed my Claude. Now, Claude. Let us try to open a Claude application. So just type here, Claude. And here you can see, just go to File. And then, so if you want, you can start new conversation. So here you can start new conversation. And as of now, you can use settings. So developer. So here you can go to edit config. So now it is redirected to Claude Desktop configuration.json. So let us try to open this JSON file with Visual Studio Code. So let's see Visual Studio Code. Let us open this. So let me open one more window, one more folder. So here you can type Claude path. So here you can type and just go to Claude folder, and you can see this one. So now just try to observe your official document. Just go to your official documentation. So here you can see, so there are steps for Claude Desktop. Here let me show you the steps as toggle. Now here I'm trying to use this JSON. Just copy it and paste it. So here I paste it. Now this is the npm node related receiving, and this is the server model context MCP. And here we need to find out what token as well. GitHub tokens. Further, just go back to your portal, your GitHub repo. This is our GitHub repo, right? GitHub's organization. So within this, let me try to create some this portal organizations. This organization, right? Currently I'm using this organization. And you can see, just go to settings. And here you can see, just go to developers settings. And here I'm trying to create personal access token. So I'm trying to create something. Just create it. GitHub now you can see MCP token. So here we need to make sure specific access. Instead of giving all the access, you can mention specific access. So here you can see repo admin workflow, right? Based on your scenario, you can mention some access. As of now, accept delete all of the access on the country. Accept delete. So you can mention as per your. So as per your use case, you can mention. So you can try to mention our use case, what is access, and generate token. Just make sure you can use this token. Just copy this token, place it in somewhere, and then just go back to your file. So here you can see, just replace this token. So here you can replace this token. So here I placed my tokens. Next one. So once it is done, next let's try to open our products. Let's try to open this Claude. So meanwhile to see it, just go to task manager. Here you can see that. So just try to create this application from task manager. So once it is done, just try to open Claude. Now just go to new conversation. So here you can see, just go to new conversation. Let me show you this. If you completed your integration, right, now you can see this symbol. So just see here, it is saying that 26 MCP tools available. Let's go to this. So just see here, it is saying some tasks. Issue comment, create branch, create issue, create or update, right? These are all things you can see. Okay. Now just go back to your official documentation. With the help of GitHub MCP Server, what are all activities we are going to perform? Right? So just see here you can see this. So users, right? Get details of the other users. and get issues. Right? Suppose if you need some issues related information, right? Also like get issues comments, whatever issues are there. Let us say here these are all issues. Let's go to any repo here. So let us refer some repo. Let's refer some repo. So here I need some issues. These are all issues. So these are all issues. Now I need these issues related comments. So just here, these are all comments you can see. Right? You can see these comments. Okay. Also create an issue. With the help of this integration, we can create an issue with the help of this class. Here you can mention some entry. Based on that, you can create issues. Also list issues. We can list our issues, search issues, right? And get pull requests. Right? Whatever things are happening within the GitHub, we can find it with the help of our prompts. Also get pull request status. Right? These are all things you can see. Also create or update file, push files, set files, as well as even you can create repository as well, new repository also. So also you can create branches. These are all things we can use it. Now let's go back. Now let's try to ask some questions. So before that, first we need to make sure what is the organization name. This is the organization name. This is the organization name. And also, suppose if you are trying to find out some issues or pull requests on repo, just try to find out some repo name also. Right? So some repo name also you can find out. Right? Just try to find out what repos. Let me find out some repos and let me show you GitHub repo. This is a repo. So this is the repo. Now here I'm asking some questions like list issues or pull requests. Pull requests in the repo name you can mention, and also organization name. Organization name also you can mention that. So what is the organization name here? This is one. Now just enter. We need to give access, allow for this chart or allow once. So it is saying that no open pull request. Let us see. Just go back to this repo. Just go back to this repo. Now you can see only closed pull requests are there. 0 open. So here you can see 0 open. These are all two pull requests. Let us try to ask list closed pull requests. So you can see that PR3 and PR1, these are all things you can see. You can compare with these things as well. Feature 2, feature 1. Also, let us ask create an issue in the repo git flow, right? Git flow. You can ask, you can mention some description as well. So it is asking us to mention title and all these things. Let us mention title. So, issue 001 and also description. So what fits description, let us say. Example description you can mention. description, as well as label bug fix. Right? Let us mention. Okay. Allow for this chart. So here it is creating issue 4. Just try to observe. So just refresh. Now just see it is showing new issue. Right? So bug fix just now we created it. Open now. You can see this. Okay. So here you can create new issue number 4, as well as issue 001 bug fix. You can see that by mistake it's mentioned big fix. It label it seems to be fixed. That's okay. Right. Now let us create branch as well. Create new branch. Okay. And branch name. Some dev. Create branch from the master branch, that is the main branch. Because currently we are in main branch, right? You see here, you are trying to observe. Currently we are in master branch, it seems. Master branch. That is mentioned master. Create a new branch from master. Branch name dev. As of now, we are able to see, oh, dev, it seems already there. Let us try to create one more branch. So let us create a branch name, some other keyword, some test branch, let us see. Test branch. So let us create it. Now let us say it. Let us create. So in this way you can see that. Test branch, you can see that. Just try to refresh. So here we created test branch as well. So in this way you can simplify the steps. So whatever things you are doing, just try to refer this documentation. Based on that, you can perform any steps based on this documentation. Whatever steps it is supporting, so we can use that. Now today we observe GitHub MCP Server integration. Right? Coming, we'll try to cover other scenarios as well. So today we observe like the MCP Server integration step-by-step process. First we installed our plan, as well as let us recap the steps. So here we install our Node.js, and after that, so we install our Claude Desktop, and we replace our configuration, JSON configuration from the official portal. And after that, we created our GitHub. You can create your own GitHub repo. So for that, you can use this process also. Suppose if you are trying to create a repo, sign up GitHub repo. GitHub. Sign up GitHub. So you can create your new GitHub, and then you can start using that. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please share it, and see you in the next video.